Hi, I'm Kristen of White Arrows Home, and I'm excited to welcome you back into my kitchen in my cabin that sits lakeside in the Northwoods of Wisconsin. Today, we're making my son's favorite, peanut butter protein balls.
Let's get started. Begin by adding 1 cup of oats to a bowl, 1/4 cup unsweetened coconut flakes, 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, 1 scoop of protein powder of your choice. I used pumpkin Molk protein powder, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 1/4 cup of honey, stir until combined. Roll into balls, and then you're done. I like to keep these in the fridge to keep them intact in the summer heat.
Thanks so much for joining me today in my Northwoods kitchen. I love making these peanut butter balls, and I can't make them fast enough because my kids devour them. My husband said they are the favorite thing he's ever had. So I may have to hide them from him so the kids can have enough. You can find all the information in the description, and be sure to follow along on the blog as well at www.whitearrowshome.com. You can also follow me everywhere on all the socials at White Arrows Home. Thanks so much, and be sure to follow your arrow.